So here's the deal. Just got back from Africa a couple months ago on my deployment. While I was gone, my wife and son met up with some really nice people that took them hog hunting. They hunt with dogs, and I guess it sounds like it's a pretty fun time down here. So they extended the invitation to me since I've been back, and now that deer season's coming to an end, we're ready to go down there and just kind of give it a go and see what it's like. I'm sure it's gonna be fun. Waiting for my son now. He's getting all his stuff together, and we're gonna hit the road and go meet up with these guys, and we'll see. Wish me luck. Should be fun. You're just looking for tracks?
Yeah. See a hog track?
Well, right here.
Hog track's a lot more rounded than deer tracks. See how more rounded?
Yeah.
Whatever. They've eaten the whole 50 pound of corn up since yesterday. All right.
Can't remember your name. That's good.
Come on, Jack.
It's a little deep right there. He wants to hunt.
Him and Jack is working it pretty hard out there. I mean, they're working it hard out there.
Pete's gonna get going there.
See the difference in that dog? He didn't jump off wanting to play. He's done starting to grow up. It is. Which way are they going, Gavin?
So that's what they do when they start baying them?
Yeah. I tried to come back with Gavin.
I think Gavin's gonna be in my video falling in that water.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
We're good.
You gonna try to cross it?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. George, you going with me?
George.
Watch out, there's like a big pipe there, and that's going to drop off on this left side. Yeah.
Got my butt wet. You good though? Should wear my wool underwear. Got it? Yep.
Huh? I took off. Oh, if you're gonna take them dogs in.
Huh?
Probably should have held off on a lot of them dogs.
Nah, that can't be the only hog.
Jack's only 250 yards. That'd be cool.
How far is that?
290. I can't hear nothing. I know it's cold.
I guarantee you. What was that?
There's Reba. Smoke.
No, that's Dallas and Reba.
Hold on. Outlaw's barking. No, that's Dallas's now. Okay. I got him collared next week.
Hope it's a hog.
That's them dogs in the truck.
A lot of dang barking out there. Ain't no water, please.
That's the dogs in the truck. What do you say?
That way. Got one? That's the new kid.
You got it still alive? Hold on. Go hog! Barely.
He's drowned.
I know I'm about to freaking freeze. Get your bulldog, Daddy. Damn.
We're back at the house now. Jordan and I both missed seeing those guys pull that hog out of the swamp. We ended up having to stick back and pull a four-wheeler out of that creek. We tried to make it up there again, and as you can see, we made it up there as they were just pulling them out. It was the only pig we saw today, but that's alright. I'm sure there'll be a lot more. I really appreciate those guys taking us out and kind of showing us how they work those dogs. It was something else. It was pretty awesome to see them. Thanks for watching. Stick around, like, subscribe below, and hopefully I'll be able to post some more videos here in the coming weeks, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Thanks.